Today we are making tacos, not any regular taco recipe. It is delicious, quick, and easy. Before I show you guys how it's done, be sure to subscribe if you're new here. Like this video if you enjoy it. Let's not waste no time. Let's dive into this recipe. To begin, we are going to make our crema sauce. I have all the ingredients here that we're going to add to the blender, then stir everything or blend everything. So I'm using sour cream. I'll be using 4 ounces of the sour cream. Add that in just like this. A pinch of salt and pepper, and a pinch of chicken bouillon just to give it some flavor. I have some cilantro going in, just like this. Also, we're going to add half a lime juice in there. Just like this. It's gonna be so good. This is the cherry on top for our tacos. Now we're going to cover it. Actually, I'm adding a little bit of milk just to help this blend. So about 2 tablespoons. Okay. Cover it and we blend. Our crema sauce is nicely done, guys, and it tastes absolutely delicious. We're just gonna pour it in here so we can set it aside so we can start working on the other ingredients. Now it's time to make the pico de gallo. I have onion, tomatoes, and I have some jalapeños. Remove the seeds if you don't want it to be too spicy, and I have some salt and pepper here. So I'm going to just mix them together in this bowl here. I'm going to add the onion, and this is 1 jalapeno, half onion, half tomato, 1 jalapeno. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, just like this, and we're going to squeeze 1 lime in there. Quick and easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just like this. And we're going to give that a quick mix. And you can taste it to see if the salt is good or if you need to add any more salt. And also, completely, I was about to forget, we need to add some fresh cilantro in here. So now we're going to add the cilantro, just like this. Give it a quick mix. Oh, it's going to be so good. It smells so fresh. My mouth is already watering from the, the lime. And I'm going to taste it to see. Sorry, excuse my phone. I'm going to taste it to make sure the pepper and the salt is perfect. So good. So good. Perfect. We're going to set this aside for now and work on the chicken. All right, guys, we have a little bit under 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. Now you can use chicken breast if you like, but I like using chicken thighs. Obviously, it's more juicy. I'm going to remove some of the fat. We don't need that. It's gonna be too greasy. Remove some of the fat, and then you're going to dice up your chicken. Now you can dice them up whatever size you want, but I like to dice them up a little bit, small so they can fit into the taco shell. So just remove the fat for now. Now we're going to dice the chicken into small, not even bite-sized, very small. Okay. Turn it this way and dice it so it's not too thick. Struggle is real. I'm going to do it again. It's pretty self-explanatory, like you can see. I'm just dicing. Once I'm done, I'll let you guys know what to do next with the chicken. All right, it's time to season the chicken. You're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on the chicken. Give it a nice mix, just like this. And you are going to take your seasoning and season the chicken. Now I'm using a few seasonings here. They will be listed below: onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, cumin, creole seasoning, you know, ground black pepper. So I'm going to drizzle that on here, just like this. Mix it up just like this, a little bit more. This seasoning combo is literally my go-to when it comes to tacos. It's so flavorful. Just mix it and then we're ready to sear our chicken. Maybe a little bit more. There you go. Perfect. Now we are ready. Alrighty. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. You're going to drizzle some olive oil on here, just a little bit. And now you are going to add in your chicken, just like this. This is such a quick recipe, like I said. Anybody can do this. We're going to allow the chicken to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. We'll flip it over, mix it around until it is nice and golden brown. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, my chicken is nice and cooked on one side. I am going to flip it over. Allow the other side to cook, just like this. And it's smelling absolutely delicious. Y'all can see this is a nicely well-seasoned chicken. You know our tacos about to be busting, okay? Ooh. Yes. I'm going to allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it too much so it can be nice. So it can stay nice and juicy. So allow it to cook for another 2 minutes and then we'll take it out. We almost there, y'all, almost there. All right, guys, the chicken is nicely done. It's smelling good, it's looking good. I am ready to assemble these tacos. Take a good look. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Let's remove this and set it aside. To assemble our tacos, I'm going to be using corn tortillas. You can use flour tortillas. I have a skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to add that on here just to make sure it's nice and hot. Going to add 2 actually. And then we are going to add some cheese. I'm using 4 Mexican cheese. You can use cheddar cheese. You can use quesadilla cheese. You can use queso, it's up to you. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of that chicken, just like this. And I have my Pico de Gallo and all of that, so I can add on top. I just want the chicken to, the cheese to melt. That's why I added to a skillet. You can't fill these up too much because they're tiny, as you can see. And basically, once the cheese is nice and melted, I can just remove it, set it in the plate, and add my Pico de Gallo and as well as the Crema Sauce on top. So I'm going to place them on here. Ooh, having a little trouble on here, just like this. Just like this. I'm gonna do one more. That's why I said it's good to have your chicken kind of thinly diced, all right? And this is basically done. And I'm going to remove it. Just like this. Perfect. They look so good. It smells amazing, and I'm here for it, okay? The chicken is saucy, it's juicy, it's giving a Taco Tuesday, but today's not Tuesday. Okay, let's give it a try. This is the bomb.com. I have to make these for my friends. Like, these are too good. When I said, go run to the store and make this recipe, just trust and believe me. This right here is 10 out of 10. I would make again and again and again because it's so good, okay? If you wanna make this recipe, the ingredients will be listed down below for you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Do not forget to do that. Subscribe. Also, hit the video with a thumbs up. I will see you on the next recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.